Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here, beautiful thing, Thunderheart ignition. Okay, sorry, not ignition, Thunderheart wire loom. Now you can see here, you got all the iridescent lights, auxiliary power, etc. You've even got an auxiliary, you know, run your sat nav or whatever. But basically, turn switches, oil neutral. These are all LEDs. Okay, so if you get a problem on any of these circuits, you will see a little LED come on. Okay. Basically, if you turn them upside down, these plugs plug in, okay, but you start a relay, this cover then goes back on top. So you basically just need a space this big, okay, to put this thing on. But very cool bit of kit. And on a bike like this particular one, we're going to convert from canvas. We've got masses of room, you know, check under there, masses of room compared to the stock system, and we can actually put the loom up here. But we're basically going to wire this thing up according to here. You can see here what colour wires do what. So basically we're going to plug this in to these. So they're going to go in, okay. Now obviously not that way, this way. Like that. And then we're going to wire up whatever this goes to. This one obviously goes in one of these. And this gives you various options what you want to wire up, okay. These, you just crimp these on and you get the wires with it, okay. But it's got all the stuff you need to run a basic bike, and obviously a lot more as well. You know, if you check some of these diagrams, (96-03) hand controls, okay. We've got hand controls pre-96, okay. What everything does, auxiliary power, etc. Troubleshooting, LED, signal burned out or defective. Turn signal flashes rapidly, LED turn signals, this will run as well, so that's even better. But this really is state-of-the-art stuff, okay. This isn't your average Far Eastern loom, and it's fully potted, as you can see. All this is in resin, so you ain't going to get a problem like some of these Chinese things where all the water gets in and blows everything. But this particular thing's going to go on this bike here. We're going to done away with all the canvas shit, and we're going to fit this on, and we're going to fit an S&S VFI loom as well, because with an S&S VFI it'll be auto tuning when we add the 18mm lambda sensors to it as well. So if you're interested in the S&S motors or in VFI from S&S, or just basic wiring stuff like this, or converting your bike from canvas to you know, fully automatic like this, you know, standard type of loom rather than all the canvas rubbish, give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu.